Hi guys, we do a live stream every Wednesday where we create art. Now we did one on the 4th of March this year where I created a large canvas painting, and this is how we did it. When I'm happy with that, I'll put the loops on. The loops then will need 2 or 3 days at least to cure, let alone if I want to go over the top of that. So much will depend on the type of effects I'm going for, so I just need that knowledge, or I have that knowledge about how the paint works, so I can make those decisions based on that. So it's as much knowing what the paint does and doesn't do, which is the bit that really kind of dictates the timing, if that makes sense. And then it just depends on how many layers are going on. For the very complex multicoloured ones, then yes, each colour goes on its own level if I don't want them to mix. So then it'll be 2 or 3 days between each one. And whilst the applications may not be more than 20-30 minutes, by the time I've mixed paint, got trained, got the health and safety sorted out, all that kind of stuff, and the application done, but then I have to wait and of course tie up all the space in here. It's just a complex logistical process as much as anything else. Right, that's the painting done. It's been drying for about 4 days now. Time to get the frame made for it. Great, so that's the frame made. Time to get the canvas on the bench and we'll get stretching. Right folks, that's the first set of staples in. Now what you're about to see condensed into just a few seconds is going to take us probably an hour to an hour and a half. So if you're ready, let's get the staples out. Let's begin. Right, ladies and gents, stapling is done. It's reveal time. So let's have a look, shall we?
Will it go? Will it go?
Oh, it's quite big.
Let's take it that way. Take it that way.
Et voila! Right guys, that is Moon Safari now completed. I hope you've enjoyed the journey of it from what's essentially just a piece of cut canvas all the way through to us preparing it and the frame and stapling it. So if you've liked this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below because we've got a ton of cool things coming up. Oh yes, and I'm going to pop a link in as well to the website where you can see this and all the wonderful close-up photos that we've taken of it. That's it for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.